They just love it. They do, don't you, eh? Oh my goodness. Oh, you're like Playboy bunnies in the jacuzzi, aren't you? Look. Yes. That's how you'd keep warm, keep cool if you was a hen. I wonder if their dinosaur ancestors ever did a thing like that. Look, just love it. Scratching, and it's just not just to keep the parasites out and stop them from itching. It actually keeps them cool, which is something that we should think about. Yes, they're happy, and now I am going to join them because I have got my picnic box and my lovely recliner chair under the branches of a little medlar tree, and this is a little Iranian medlar we have. Yes, and we've got our little apples going across here. Oh, these lovely red apples. And I can just pick them off the tree to eat with my teas. And yes, I'm looking forward to that. So I'm going to now start my picnic. And here we have it. This is Chicken Utopia. What a way to spend a bank holiday. Look at that.